And welcome to my squat extravaganza home workout. So 6.5 minutes. I would love you to do this twice through. We've got weights and plates and also a step. So let's give you as many different squat variations as we can. So I love this squat. Just enables you to get into your glutes and hit slightly different range. Single, so we're down and up. So if you like your squats, this is the workout for you. Now come down onto the floor, push. So a different reaction there, and you can feel the change. Take the legs wide. Again, so you've got the angle of the femur coming in, and then together. Whoa, I'm feeling this now. Now take your right leg in front, lift your back heel, 2 staggered, and then change 2 staggered.
4,
and then normal.
3, 2,
1. Nice job. Oh. Okay, let's add some power squats.
Get ready.
Just what you need. 4 power squats forward, 4 jumps.
4,
Focusing
3,
on sagittal
2,
plane. So we go. 1, 2, jump, and then up and down. 1, 2. I'm just hitting this beat. Travel back. Legs are going to feel this tomorrow. 2. That's it. Up and down. 1. Now that's hard.
halfway there.
Okay, power to the right. Single. Just side, side. Now 2 right. So 1, 2 left. So still a squat, but with power. Again, come on. 2. Back to side. Power.
4,
3.
2,
Oh. That never gets any easier. Ever. Okay. A woodchuck squat. So, starting
4,
low to high.
2,
So we
1.
squat. Take your arm to the top and then push down. So I'm drawing a lovely arc with the weight up to the corner. A little bit of rotation. There you go. And I am definitely sweating now. How are you doing with this? Let me know. 1 more.
Halfway there.
And then change to this side. Again, cross. So sit back, lift. There you go. Push again. So got that nice rotation. We've got the lift up. And I know your legs are going to be burning.
4, 3, 2,
1. Okay. Now you could do this on the step. And you can do it on the floor. We're going to do 3 squats and do a 180 turn and jump and
4,
land at the back.
3, 2,
Watch first. 3, 2, 1, jump, turn. 3. Good, keep going. 3. Now let's do this. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Okay. Now this is the tough bit. Jump externally, so around that side. Oh, so much further. 3, 2, 1. 3. Again. 3. My legs are burning, all yours. 4.
4,
I'm tapping
2,
out.
1.
Woo. Oh my gosh, that's so tough. Okay, another power.
Get ready.
Now again, you could do this onto a step, onto a box, onto the floor.
2,
So I want you to jump up and then step off. Step back. And try not to push the step away. Squat. Push back. Let's go again. Sit back.
Halfway there.
So we're looking up, the head is up. Push. And legs are training. They're training hard. feeling this? How are you feeling with your squats? Are you good? Okay.
Get
A couple of
ready.
different squats with the weights then. So turn the toes out
4,
slightly.
3, 2,
Lean forward. So you have a sumo squat. So again, you've got to sit back. Imagine that you've got a little chair behind you and you're just about to sit down and then you change your mind. Good again. Again. One more.
halfway
Now
there.
if you turn your toes forward, weights together and push up into a modified goblet squat. Push up. Hardcore. Keep going.
4,
3.
2,
And there you go. That was the ultimate
round 1 is complete.
squat workout. Let me know what you think. Did you enjoy it? Make sure, as always, you have to leave me a comment. Give me a like or a heart emoji. And always switch on the notifications so you know whenever I upload a new video on my YouTube channel. Share it, spend it.